Hey guys, I'm Ethan Moore from Stockholm Supply. Some pretty exciting news from Arbortech I wanted to share with you guys. They have just came out with a new mini carver to replace their mini grinder. So these are actually becoming discontinued. But I just want to kind of show you some of the differences between the two tools and whether you guys who already own a mini grinder should upgrade. Now, a couple of the obvious ones here. The mini carver here, you got dust collection, which is a huge thing because these things, as you know, throw a lot of chips. So it does come with a nice little dust collection port that can be popped off if you need to. Now, another obvious thing, the mini carver comes with the mini industrial blade from the factory with the carbide teeth rather than the hardened steel blade. So that's going to last a lot longer and give you a smoother cut compared to this blade here. So that comes from the factory. And another really obvious thing, the handle on this guy is a vibration dampening. So a little bit less vibration you're going to get with this machine. Now, some of the things that are a little bit less obvious that are still a really big deal. One thing, I want you to listen to how loud they are. So this is the mini grinder. So listen to this here. Okay, so quite loud. Now in the mini carver, these are both set at the same RPM, so 18,000 RPM here. Couple things you'll notice. One, slow start, beautiful safety feature, as well as being a lot quieter. Now the other really neat thing about this, on the back, we got an adjustable for variable speed. So I can slow this all the way down to that there is 6,000 RPM, which can be very nice for different carving applications as well as sanding. So speaking of sanding, another really cool benefit to the mini carver here. So the mini grinder is definitely capable of sanding, and you get these discs here with the plastic plate glued on the back. Now these work fine, a little bit finicky with that bolt there, trying to replace these, but also these can be fairly expensive and not incredibly flexible. Now what the mini carver has done, if any of you guys are familiar with Arbortech's contour sander, it's got the identical rubberized pad here. Very, very flexible. And these sanding discs will go on top of there, and with the same Allen key that you use to replace the disc, you use the same head here, and that will just bolt on there. So a couple things that will make this disc a lot more flexible, as well as these sanding discs are a lot less expensive because you don't need to replace that backer pad every single time. So that's pretty cool. Now another really simple thing here, but it's important. If you look at the size of the mounting screw here, the Allen key on top, smaller Allen screw here, larger one here. So that means that's less likely to strip, and that's going to last longer for you, which is a nice thing. So all in all, as far as price, which I was surprised about, they're almost identical as in price when this was brand new. Now this one was discontinued now, so the only option available is the mini carver, but I definitely think it's a really nice upgrade. Now one other thing I forgot to mention, you do get a nice little bag with the mini carver, and that comes in that box right there. So yeah, if anybody else has any questions on the Arbortech stuff or anything else we sell, you can email me at info@stockholmsupply.com or just comment on the video. And if you guys want to see future videos, please subscribe. Thank you.